our cultures around the world have very much created a spotlight for him. Santa Stuart comes from a long line of gift givers. His father and his father before him both wore the red suit and beard. And it goes on and on and on. Santa Stuart's Mrs. Claus is one of the ice princesses belonging to the extensive family of the Ice King. And much like those who go about doing good, we are quite good at blending in, so we know who is naughty and who is nice. Though much of the year, Santa Stuart doesn't have a beard, at least not one that's Santa-worthy. With a little Christmas magic, he can turn into a full-fledged Santa Claus. Much like Scott Calvin woke up gaining weight, and with a beard, Santa Stuart has opted for a more magical existence so he can help others, whether or not they believe he actually is Santa Claus. That same magic helps the reindeer fly and Santa to deliver presents